Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate with several reasons why you may want to consider hiring a professional to do that next home improvement project. With the popularity of DIY and the YouTube channel with all those do-it-yourself videos, a lot of homeowners think they can take on all those projects themselves. But there may be several reasons why you want to consider hiring a professional. The first might be for the quality of the work. It might look easy to just go rent a sander from Home Depot and refinish those hardwood floors, but I can tell you from personal experience, there is skill involved to keep that sander from putting gouges in the hardwood floor. And even putting stain across evenly can take some skill. Also, that polyurethane. I know you've all seen the floors where when the sun hits the floor, you see all these little bumps across the floor. You have to be sure you get every speck of lint or dirt up before that polyurethane goes down, so you might want to consider a professional for that job. Another reason to consider hiring one is for safety purposes. We've all seen the video where it's great, put on my goggles, get that sledgehammer, knock out that kitchen wall. But wait, what about the gas, the electric and plumbing? For safety reasons, you might want to consider a professional for that one. Another reason is for personal injury. That 1950s bathroom that has the green, pink, blue, or yellow tile, you think you're going to just pull that tile up off of the floor? But what you find is there's a 4-inch bed of concrete that now you got to figure out how to get that concrete broken up, how to get equipment in there, how to get it hauled out. Hope you don't hurt your back on that project. Another thing to consider is what is the value of your time in doing the project? Would it make more sense for you to do a little overtime at work or take on another shift, and that way you can hire the professional to do quality, safe work? And if you're thinking about selling your home but you're waiting because you have some projects you want to do yourself, and it might take you 6 months before you get those projects done, well, what's the market going to look like in 6 months from now? Right now, we know the market is good. There's not a lot of inventory, and if interest rates go up, buyer activity is going to slow down. So have you lost out on money because you waited, because you're doing the project yourself, when you could have hired somebody and gained by getting a great price on your house now? Let me mention this to you. If you need to sell your home quickly, ask me about my guaranteed cash offer program where you could close in 21 days or at your convenience with no showings and no open houses. For other information about buying or selling, visit my website at shannonr.com. And if I can help you in any way, feel free to give me a call. And thanks for watching.